Let's keep rolling along as we continue busting myths about hard money. In case you missed them, check out our other hard money myth-busting videos on our channel. So far, we've busted common myths like hard money is too expensive and hard money is a trap. Now let's take a look at another common misconception about hard money. Bank lines are cheaper than hard money. Okay, on the surface, bank lines are cheaper. Yes, that part is technically true. However, when you scratch below the surface, you'll discover hard money can be cheaper. All because of one important factor that doesn't get calculated into the equation at the start of a loan: timing. Think about how long it takes to close a bank loan. You might get lucky and close within 30 days, but it often takes longer, sometimes much longer. Hard money, on the other hand, moves much, much faster. You can usually close within 2 weeks, but it can be even faster. Some lenders can close in just a few days. When you close faster, you can get to work faster, which means you can complete your project faster. And faster projects mean more money in your pocket. Another timing issue investors fail to consider is the amount of time it takes to fund escrow, aka your rehab. If it takes longer to access those funds, then it will take longer to pay your contractor. And if your contractor isn't paid quickly enough, they might move on to another project. Not only does it take banks longer to approve escrow funds, but they have stricter guidelines. Let's look at an example. You want to withdraw $10,000 from your escrow account to pay your electrician. But when you get the invoice from your electrician, you realize you only needed $8,000. However, your plumber suddenly also needs to be paid $2,000. Unfortunately, the bank won't care about your plumber. They'll send only what you need to pay your electrician, since that's what you originally asked for. You'll have to waste precious time sending in another request for the $2,000. Within that time, your plumber might take off and find a different project. They can't wait around for you to pay them so they can complete their work. That means you have to search for a new plumber, which means you have to waste time. And time is money. Hard money lenders respect that. Most of them focus on moving fast, being flexible, and working with you to get you through your project as quickly as possible so you can tackle your next project. So, even though bank lines are cheaper up front, in the long run, they might cost you far more than a hard money loan. Again, it all comes down to timing. And again, time is money in the real estate business. Stay tuned for our next video where we talk about the biggest and most misleading myth of all. Hard money is a curse. Ready to chat about your hard money and other lending options? Great! Give our team a call. We're excited to set you on a path that makes you the kind of money you need to live the life you want. The Cash Flow Mortgage Company. Good loans, good people, good business.